Do you want to keep your legs strong, even into your 90s? One simple habit in your kitchen could be the difference between walking with ease and struggling to stand up. The truth is, weak legs rarely come from age alone. More often, it's about what we do, or don't, and what we give our muscles every single day. In this video, you'll discover 5 simple food choices that help your legs stay stronger, improve your balance, and keep you independent for years to come. And the first tip? It's probably sitting in your pantry right now, but most people use it completely wrong. Let's begin. Why your legs weaken first. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass. It's a process called sarcopenia. It starts quietly, often in your 40s, and speeds up after 60. And your legs? They're the first to feel it. That's because your legs carry you through every step, every climb, every moment you get up from a chair. They're constantly working against gravity, and over time they take the hardest hits. When you move less, your body starts thinking, "We don't need all this strength anymore." It begins to break down muscle fibers to save energy, and slowly, your once strong legs lose power, balance, and endurance. But here's the good news. You can reverse that process. Muscle loss isn't permanent. With the right movement and the right foods, your body can rebuild what time tried to take away. Here's where most people get it wrong. They assume it's all about protein shakes and gym memberships. But your foundation for strength starts in your kitchen, not your workout routine. What you eat either tells your body to rebuild or to keep breaking down. So before we talk about workouts or supplements, let's focus on the one thing you can control right now: your plate. 5. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes aren't just colorful, they're powerful. They're nature's version of a steady energy source, packed with complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly, keeping your muscles fueled for hours. That means more stamina when walking, gardening, or simply going about your day. Inside every bite, you'll also find potassium and beta-carotene, 2 nutrients that quietly support your muscles. Potassium helps prevent cramps and stiffness, while beta-carotene fights inflammation that can make your legs feel sore or heavy. Unlike sugary foods that give you a short burst and a quick crash, sweet potatoes give your legs a consistent supply of energy. Think of them as a slow-burning battery, reliable, steady, and always ready to go. Try swapping your usual white potatoes or rice for roasted sweet potatoes 2 or 3 times a week. Add a drizzle of olive oil and a pinch of salt. That's all you need. The natural sweetness and fiber help balance your blood sugar while feeding your muscles what they need to stay active. And here's a bonus. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin C, which supports collagen, the structure that keeps your muscles and joints firm. So every serving isn't just food, it's a little repair kit for your legs. So next time you're planning dinner, think of your legs first. They've carried you through decades, and they'll keep doing it as long as you give them the right kind of fuel. 4. Oats. If sweet potatoes are your long-lasting battery, oats are your steady engine. They keep your muscles running smoothly throughout the day, not just by giving energy, but by helping them recover too. Oats are one of the most balanced foods you can eat. They're rich in complex carbohydrates, fiber, iron, and magnesium, all crucial for endurance and muscle health. Magnesium, in particular, helps your muscles relax after activity and prevents those annoying nighttime cramps that so many older adults experience. But oats also do something else that often goes unnoticed. They help your body absorb protein more efficiently. That means the eggs or yogurt you eat later in the day actually work better for your muscles. Start your morning with a warm bowl of oatmeal topped with berries, banana, or a spoon of peanut butter. The combination of slow carbs, antioxidants, and healthy fats gives you a calm, steady release of energy that lasts for hours. No mid-morning crash, no sluggish feeling. And don't worry, oats aren't boring. You can bake them into healthy muffins, add them to smoothies for extra texture, or even turn them into savory dishes with eggs or vegetables. They're inexpensive, versatile, and gentle on digestion, making them perfect for any age. There's something comforting about a bowl of oats in the morning. It's warm, simple, and nourishing. A small daily reminder that you're doing something good for yourself. Over time, that consistency adds up. When you make oats a regular part of your diet, you're not just fueling your day. You're building strength and resilience, one breakfast at a time. 3. Avocado. Avocado is often praised for heart health, but your legs love it just as much. It's loaded with healthy fats that help reduce inflammation and improve circulation. Two things essential for strong, flexible muscles. What makes avocado so remarkable is how it nourishes your entire muscular system. Every movement your legs make, standing up, climbing stairs, even balancing, depends on healthy nerve communication and smooth blood flow. Avocado supports both. One avocado has more potassium than a banana. This mineral keeps your muscles hydrated and your nerves firing properly, helping to prevent cramps and sudden weakness. It's like keeping your muscles' electrical system charged and ready. The healthy monounsaturated fats in avocado also help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, all vital for joint lubrication, muscle recovery, and bone density. When you pair avocado with other nutrient-rich foods, such as eggs or leafy greens, your body absorbs those nutrients far more effectively. Try adding half an avocado to your breakfast toast, or mix it into a salad with eggs or tuna. You can even blend it into smoothies for a creamy texture without adding sugar. For something refreshing, try avocado with a squeeze of lemon and a sprinkle of salt. Simple, quick, and incredibly effective. Avocado doesn't just feed your muscles, it helps them function better. It's the kind of food that keeps your body moving smoothly, reducing stiffness, improving flexibility, and giving you that light, steady feeling when you walk. Think of avocado as oil for your engine. It keeps everything running without friction, ensuring your legs stay strong, steady, and dependable, ready to take you anywhere you want to go. 2. Salmon. Salmon is one of the most powerful foods you can eat for muscle strength and recovery. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, high-quality protein, and essential vitamins like D and B12, a combination that supports your legs on every level. Here's why salmon stands out. Omega-3s reduce inflammation in your muscles and joints. That means less stiffness, less soreness, and faster recovery after movement or exercise. If your legs often feel heavy or tired, this is one of the best natural remedies you can choose. Beyond that, salmon provides complete protein, meaning it contains all the amino acids your body needs to rebuild and maintain muscle tissue. This is especially important after the age of 50, when muscle repair slows down. Regularly including salmon in your diet helps reverse that decline. Vitamin D plays a crucial role too. It helps your muscles contract properly and supports balance, something many older adults struggle with. A lack of vitamin D can make you feel weaker or unsteady, especially in your legs. Just 2 servings of salmon a week can make a noticeable difference. Try grilling or baking salmon with lemon, herbs, and olive oil. It's simple, flavorful, and keeps all those valuable nutrients intact. If you're not a fan of salmon, trout, sardines, or even canned mackerel offer similar benefits. Many people notice subtle changes after just a few weeks. Easier steps, less fatigue, better energy throughout the day. That's your body responding to what it's been missing. Think of salmon as your muscles repair team. It fixes what's worn, strengthens what's weak, and helps your legs stay reliable, day after day, step after step. 1. Eggs. Finally, let's talk about one of the most underrated superfoods for leg strength. Eggs. Simple, affordable, and packed with power. Eggs are nature's perfect muscle food. Each egg contains all 9 essential amino acids, the exact building blocks your muscles need to grow, repair, and stay strong. They also provide vitamin D, B12, and choline, nutrients that support both muscle and nerve function. But here's something many people don't realize. Most of an egg's nutrients are in the yolk. That's where you'll find the healthy fats and vitamins that help your body absorb and use the protein from the egg white. So don't skip the yolk. It's where the real strength lies. Eating 1 or 2 eggs a day can make a significant difference, especially when paired with movement. Studies show that older adults who eat more protein-rich foods like eggs maintain better balance, mobility, and muscle tone. The best part? Eggs are incredibly versatile. You can boil them, scramble them, poach them, or bake them into frittatas with vegetables. Combine them with whole grains and greens for the perfect balance of protein, carbs, and fiber. Eggs also help with focus and energy thanks to choline, a nutrient that supports brain health and coordination. That's why many people feel more alert and stable after a protein-rich breakfast. Think of eggs as your daily anchor, small, simple, but powerful. Over time, that consistency builds strength you can feel every time you get up, move, or climb a step. So if you want your legs to carry you with confidence, whether it's a morning walk, a trip upstairs, or dancing at a family wedding, make sure you give them what they need: steady energy, good fats, clean protein, and daily consistency. Strong legs aren't about luck or age. They're about choices. And every choice on your plate brings you one step closer to walking with strength, stability, and pride. The final step to stronger legs. You've just learned how 5 simple foods can make a huge difference in the strength and stability of your legs. Sweet potatoes for lasting energy, oats for endurance and recovery, avocados for flexibility and circulation, salmon for repair and balance, and eggs, the ultimate all-in-one muscle builder. But here's the secret. It's not about perfection. It's about consistency. Real change happens in the small, steady choices you make every day. The way you build your plate, the way you move your body, the way you choose to keep going. Your legs have carried you through so many chapters of life, from your first steps to the moments that truly mattered. They've never given up on you. Now it's your turn not to give up on them. So here's a simple challenge. For the next 4 weeks, pick 2 of these foods and make them part of your daily routine. Notice how you feel when you wake up, how you move, how much lighter your steps become. You might be surprised at how quickly your body begins to thank you. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who deserves to feel strong again. Leave a comment below. Tell us which food you're adding first, or share your results in a few weeks. Your story might inspire someone else to start their own. And remember, strength doesn't fade with age. It fades with neglect. The moment you start nourishing your body again, it responds. Every meal, every step, every choice matters. Subscribe for more simple tips to keep your body strong, your mind sharp, and your spirit steady. Because growing older isn't about slowing down. It's about learning how to keep going with grace, confidence, and power. A caring note before you go. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It's meant to help you understand your body better and make more mindful choices about your health. Everyone's situation is different, and what works for one person might not be right for another. If you experience pain, weakness, or any medical issues, please talk to your doctor or a qualified health professional before making changes to your diet or exercise routine. Your well-being truly matters. Take care of yourself the way you deserve.